social media, you can even start a revolution. I mean, I think Modi definitely won the election because of social media, right? That's what everybody talks about.
All actually really proud because in a way we're creating history in India. This is the first celebrity app that's come out, and yeah, I just want to say that we're really looking forward to the future of this app.
What did you want to convey to the audiences?
No, it was basically to consolidate all my social media into one. I realized that on social media, you can even start a revolution. I mean, I think Modi definitely won the election because of social media, right? That's what everybody talks about, how he used it and everything. Not that I want to be any politician or anything. I'm just joking. That was a joke, guys. Please don't make it into a headline. But no, what I'm trying to say is that with social media, what we can do is quite amazing and quite relevant. And I think everybody's on their phones these days, you know. And instead of inviting everybody home, I thought maybe just invite them to a reflection of my home and to show them what my life is like.
I think so girls are really going to enjoy it.
What about boys? Excuse
exactly,
me.
that's my question to you. How helpful or useful is it for boys?
Well, don't boys want to see me in pretty clothes and look hot? There'll be lots of pictures there. And also there'll be book reviews. There'll be lots of book reviews. There'll be reviews of films. There's my workahol section. I mean, some boys like to wear makeup as well. Why are you judging? And there'll be makeup tutorials and you know, there'll be lots of things. There will be lots of things. It's not only specific to girls. It's specific to girls, boys, older people, younger people, children, gay people, not so gay people. It's for everybody. It's for everyone. And everybody will find a place there. In fact, there are lots of boys who've downloaded the app and there are lots of boys who're putting up stuff already. And I hope you download it. Just don't be afraid of the color pink, darling. It doesn't make you less of a boy.
क्या रेवेन्यू जनरेशन मॉडल भी कुछ होगा इसका?
अभी तो कुछ नहीं है. आप जैसे जानते हैं कि ये फ्री है. ये अभी सिर्फ एक दुनिया है जो जहाँ लोग जा सकते हैं और कुछ और दूसरा डिफरेंट देख सकते हैं. तो वो सब अभी हमने सोचा नहीं है. जो भी मैं इंस्टाग्राम में करती हूँ, जैसे मैंने प्रेम रतन धन पायो का डब स्मैश किया, नीरजा में फियर वर्सेस नीरजा का जो मैंने किया, और जो मैं ट्विटर पे करती हूँ, जो मैं स्नैपचैट पे करती हूँ, ये सब जो एक कंसोलिडेटेड जगह पे है.
और मीडिया इंटरेक्शंस जो आपके होते हैं रेगुलर, वो भी क्या इसमें दिखाई देंगे?
अगर आप चाहते हो तो आप भी जाके मुझसे क्वेश्चंस पूछ सकते हो वहाँ. ये आपके ऊपर है.
Will there be any personal moments with your family?
Yes, of
which
course.
will be shared, and will your brother actually be making an entry into this app also?
Yeah, when his film releases, because he refuses to even get out of his room.
Okay. How different is he from you and your sister? Can you share some personal moments?
About Harsh?
Yes.
Can I please talk about it after his film releases? Because
Fine.
I will get slaughtered at home because he's trying to make an impact.
Thank
but
you.
he has to stop going to restaurants if he wants to make an impact.
I just looked at my phone, and at the same time, 3 fans asked the same question. And the question is, who was your first ever crush?
My first ever crush? Why do you ask these questions? Who was my first ever crush? Let me think about it. When I was younger, besides Salman Khan. Shut up. Calendar. He's saying calendar from Mr. India. That might have been your crush. Who was my first crush? This will be really silly, but there's Beauty and the Beast is a book. I always liked the Beast. I guess eventually I started liking the bad boy. It's just an evolution of likes. So I guess I always liked the Beast from Beauty and the Beast because, you know, I was a nerd. I love reading. That was my dream, to have an amazing library and a man that I could save. And I think that's most girls out there. They're always trying to save someone. And I have to warn you guys, never fall in love with the potential of a man. Fall in love with a man. Because those stories were not true. Nobody changes. Nobody becomes a prince after you kiss the frog or the beast.
Hi, this is Faridoon Shahryar. For the most interesting celebrity interviews, do subscribe to Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.